It is both an honor and a pleasure to stand before you today at this significant gathering dedicated to exploring India's maritime heritage, a subject that resonates deeply with the spirit and soul of Odisha. When we speak of our maritime past, we are not merely recalling history, we are reconnecting with a civilizational journey that shaped identities, built bridges, and transcended borders. Over 2 million ago, the brave seafarers of ancient Kalinga set sail not to conquer but to connect. They forged bonds across oceans, carrying with them not just goods but goodwills. I think you must see our participation. Yesterday, Honorable Chief Minister of Orissa was present here, and today I, as the Tourism Minister of the state and participating here, I must thank to the Port Shipping Ministry for calling and giving a scope to Orissa to participate in this session. Friends, the dignitaries, distinguished dignitaries, respected guests, members of maritime fraternity, historians, cultural enthusiasts, and media friends, those who are present here, I congratulate them to participate in this historic maritime heritage connection. Friends, it gives me remembering a legacy that continues to inspire our identity, our culture, and our tourism. Odisha, the ancient land of Kalinga, has been known for centuries as a land of brave sailors, skillful traders, and cultural ambassadors. Our ancestors and Sadhavas set sail in their beautifully crafted voyages from ports like Tamralipta, Manikpatna, Palur, and Chilka long before modern ships were ever imagined. Their journey connected Odisha to distant lands like Sri Lanka, Java, Sumatra, Bali, Thailand, and Myanmar, spreading not just trade, prosperity, but also the message of peace, art, and spirituality. Though their voyages, Buddhism, Jagannath culture, and Odishan craftsmanship found their way to Southeast Asia, leaving an imprint that can still be seen in temples, festivals, and languages across the region. Our festivals reflect this proved history. Every year during Kartik Purnima, Odia people across the state celebrates Boit Bandhan, setting afloat small boats in rivers and ponds to honor the courage and vision of our ancient sailors. And in Kotak, the Grand Balijatra transforms the banks of the Mahanadi into a sea of memories and celebrations. This festival is not just a fair, it is a symbol of Odisha's maritime soul, connecting generations and reminding us of our deep connection with the ocean. As the tourism minister, I take immense pride in saying that Odisha's maritime heritage is one of our greatest treasures, a bridge between heritage, culture, and tourism. Our government is taking focused steps to promote maritime heritage, tourism through development of heritage circuits, cruise linking Bhubaneswar, Puri, Chilka and Cuttack, conservation of ancient port sites like Manikpatna and Palur, upgradation of the Orissa Maritime Museum in Cuttack, promotion of Balijatra as a global cultural event, that the strength of Odisha Maritime Museum. We are also working to promote cruise tourism, water sports and fisheries-based tourism, bringing livelihood opportunity to coastal communities while preserving their heritage. We are also exploring coastal ecotourism, river cruise and beach tourism along the Golden Coastline from Talsari to Gopalpur to bring travelers closer to our natural and cultural beauty. Friends, our ancestors once ruled the waves. Today it is our responsibility to carry forward their spirit, not through conquest, but through culture, creativity and sustainable tourism. Let us carry forward their legacy by making Odisha a global symbol of heritage, hospitality and harmony. Odisha is emerging as a global destination where ancient heritage meets modern hospitality. Our maritime story gives us a unique identity, one that we must proudly share with the world. Let us dream of an Odisha that once again stands as the gateway to the East, connecting nations through tourism, art and culture and friendship. As we celebrate this Maritime Week, let us remember that every wave that touches our shore carries a story of courage, trade, exploration and faith. Let us honor the legacy of the Sadhavaj and let us sail forward together towards a future where India maritime heritage continues to shine on the global map. With reflecting our beloved Prime Minister's vision, in our Chief Minister's leadership, we are committed to ensure that every visitor who steps on our shore experiences the story of Kalinga, a story written in courage, carved in stone and sung by the sea. Before concluding, I invite all of you to visit Odisha and experience eco-retreat in Konark, Putsil, Bhitarkanika, Hirakud, Shonampur and Daringbadi. A tent. Eco-retreat is a tent with all luxury and the 5-star facilities in a sea beach. Requesting you to visit Balijatra and Konark Dance Festival in Odisha. Thanks for honorable ministers and ministry personnel of the ports, shipping and waterage for giving us a lot of scope, a port-led development in Sagarmala and giving us a scope to participate in this maritime heritage conclave. Thank you. Jai Jagannath. God bless you. And once again, I invite all of you to visit Odisha in the month of November to the month of March to see the sceneries, to explore the forest and enjoy the beauty and blessing of Lord Jagannath. Thank you all.